Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
to me. Happy birthday, dear Angela. Happy birthday to you. So we would like to say thank you so much, of course, to my very, very amazing Sisi Love Something Wong for giving me this very wonderful gift. And yeah, for today, I'll be 1 year old. So yan ang aking pangarap. 1 year old para fresh, para umabot pa ako ng 100 years old. So my wish is very secret. I don't want to share my wish kasi I believe that my wish will really come true. So ulitin natin kasi nawala siya. And my wish is for me and for my family. Yan. Maraming salamat once again, Sisi Love Something Wong, for this very wonderful gift you have given us. That's not all. She also gave me this very beautiful flower as a symbol of our very amazing friendship mula noon hanggang ngayon. Kaya, oh my God, this is really something amazing. Maraming salamat, Sisi Love. I love you so much and I will always treasure and value this kind of friendship that we have. Maraming salamat talaga. Talagang sobrang happy ko sa iyong mga regalo sa akin. Diba? And of course, thank you so much sa akin Sisi Love Mary Lou Fitch for the gift sa Outback Steakhouse. Kaya nagpunta rin kami ng Outback Steakhouse. And it's really amazing. This is such a very amazing birthday celebration to me. And I love you all. Maraming salamat. Love you. And ito na nga, nandito na kami sa Outback Steakhouse. And this is a very great opportunity na na-try namin to for the first time. Kasi hindi talaga namin napuntahan to for 8 years dito sa Amerika. And of course, we are enjoying the food. At nagpapasalamat kami kay Sisi Love Mary Lou Fitch for giving us the gift card na ginamit namin dito. And Roberto is enjoying the food. Lami! Lami manggiday kaayo, no? And yung steak nila is also delicious. It's really amazing. And yeah, everything is really wonderful. And this is the very simple birthday celebration that I have dito sa Tennessee. Kasi kung nasa Pilipinas ako, for sure, maghanda talaga ako. Kasi alam mo naman, maraming nagpe-prepare doon, no? Unlike dito, so medyo mahirap talaga. And of course, tignan natin. Let's check. Roberto!
Yes.
Lami manggiday kaayo. So, nag-i-enjoy talaga si Roberto, as you can see, di ba? Napakasarap talaga ng pagkain dito, mga langgaan. It's really very enjoyable. At nag-i-enjoy talaga kami ng perfect talagang bongga. Di ba? Kaya naman, we love you all. Sa kaarawan ko ito, taos puso ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo for giving us the best of life. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal at suporta para sa nag-iisang makulay na buhay USA Live. We love you everybody. God bless everyone. Mabuhay! Mwah! Thank you!